How to download and install Doomsday X Ghost in the Shell on your Android device. If you are looking to enjoy some epic crossover content on your Android device, then you are in the right place. To download and install the Doomsday X Ghost in the Shell, first of all, unlock your Android device whether you are using a smartphone or tablet and make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now, open your Play Store from your home screen or your app drawer and go to the search bar at the bottom center. In the search box, type in Doomsday X Ghost in the Shell, this game over here from igg.com. Go ahead and tap on the install button to start the application download process. Make sure to look for the Doomsday app officially made by igg.com. Now wait for the application to install on your device, which will take a couple of minutes. Once you are done with the download process, click on the play button to play open the game, and you have successfully downloaded the game on your device. Wait for some additional download to be completed, and then once it completes, you can go ahead and start playing the game. So right there you have successfully downloaded and installed the Doomsday X Ghost in the Shell application on your Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.